In this question, you're given a whole bunch of different coordinate pairs and you're matching it with the points. What's going to be easier is deciding what that point is. So let's look at what we have here. So if I look at my x-axis, I notice that my whole number isn't the first mark. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. So this would be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and the same. So here, if I am going to point A, I'm going to the left first, and the left is negative. So there's a hint, 1/4, 2/4. So I have negative 2/4. And then my next one is going down, so it's also going to be negative, and it goes down negative 1/4. And so I look over here and I don't see any, or hardly any numbers. Well, I do see some with 4s, but I don't see 2/4. So I had to find the equivalent fraction. I remember that 2 can divide 2, and it also can divide 4 because 4 is an even number. So if I did 2 divided by 2, that gives me 1. I'll put that answer right here. And 4 divided by 2 gives me 2. So negative 1/2 is equal to negative 2/4. And then I still can't forget my negative 1/4. So I'm going to look for that. Negative 1/2 and negative 1/4. Here it is right here. And that is point A. Negative 1/2, negative 1/4. All right, let's look at point B. I'll change colors here. So I'm going to go all the way. B lines up to right here, and it lines up to right here. So I find my X first, and it's 2 and 1/4, 2/4. So I have negative 2 because I'm going backwards, and 2/4. But remember, it also could be negative 2 and 1/2. And then I have to go to this one right here. It's going up, so it's going to be positive 1 and then 1/4, 2/4. So 1 and 2/4. And we remember again that 2/4 is the same as 1/2. So 1 and 1/2. So I'm going to look for a negative 2.5 and a positive 1.5. And so that would be my point B. And then point C is right here. So it goes over 1/4 because we do X first. So it goes to the right 1/4, which is positive, and it goes up, which is also positive. It goes up 1/2. But 2/4, as we've seen on the other ones, is the same as 1/2. So I'm probably looking for 1/4 and 1/2. And I know it's going to be both positive numbers. Should probably put those there. So 1/4 and 1/2. And I find that one right here. And that would go there.